Good morning. Please remain standing for the singing of our national anthem.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say, does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Please be seated. Good morning and welcome. I'm Dr. Jim Fisher, Interim Provost and Vice President for Academic Affairs. Today we come together to recognize and celebrate an important achievement in the lives of our undergraduate students, the completion of their degrees. Many students come to college to prepare for careers, but regardless of your major, English, art, social work, management, education, chemistry, and many others, what is most important is that you are graduating from Edinboro today as an educated adult. You have committed to excellence in your chosen field, but on the foundation of a strong liberal education. You know how to reason, how to question, and how to express your ideas. You see the world as it is in all of its complexity, and you envision the world as you'd like it to be. You can never stop learning. You must remain open to new ideas, new technologies, and new ways of thinking. The world will change at a rapid pace throughout your lives, but that is not something to fear, but to understand and engage. It's exciting, actually. We are proud that Edinboro University has been part of your education, and we hope that you will use your developed talents to make a difference, not just in your career or your industry, but also in your community and nation. At this time, I would like to extend a special thanks to our musicians, the Edinboro University Pipes and Drums, directed by Mr. Sean Regan, and senior Sierra Kirkland for singing the national anthem. Please join me in thanking all of our musicians for sharing their talents with us. We greatly value student success and academic excellence at Edinboro University. Students are at the center of everything that we do, and faculty members are key to the accomplishment of our educational mission. Edinboro University is proud to be served by an outstanding faculty who are committed to creating a learning environment that promotes academic excellence, personal and cultural growth, and service. Each academic department designates a faculty marshal to represent the leadership that our faculty provide. These individuals are wearing red robes and medallions to signify their special role and are seated with our graduating students. Their names and departments are listed in the program. I ask that the faculty marshals stand as a group so that we may recognize them. Please join me in acknowledging our university faculty marshals. Thank you, marshals. Please be seated. I would like to ask the mace bearer for today's ceremony, Dr. Lenore Barbian, to stand at this time. Dr. Barbian led the academic procession and represented her faculty colleagues by carrying the ceremonial mace. Dr. Barbian is a forensic anthropologist in the Department of Criminal Justice, Anthropology, and Forensic Studies. She earned a Bachelor of Arts in Anthropology from Northwestern University and her Master of Arts and PhD from the University of Massachusetts, Amherst. Dr. Barbian's research interests include forensic anthropology, paleopathology, mortuary studies, museum curation, and repatriation. She has provided forensic consultation for the Office of the Armed Forces Medical Examiner, the Armed Forces Institute of Pathology, the Virginia State Medical Examiner, the Office of the Chief Medical Examiner of Maryland, and the National Disaster Medical System's Disaster Mortuary Operational Response Team, Region 3. She was deployed to Somerset, Pennsylvania to assist with the identification of the victims of United Airlines Flight 93 in September 2001, and she has helped train Thai pathologists to identify the victims of the July 2004 tsunami from skeletal remains. Prior to joining the Edinboro faculty in 2006, Dr. Barbian served as curator of the anatomical collections at the National Museum of Health and Medicine in Washington, D.C., and as physical anthropologist for cultural resources at the American Museum of Natural History, New York. She has published on bone healing rates, interpretation of human skeletal material from archaeological contexts, and on museum displays of human anatomy. Dr. Barbian is the 2010 winner of the Ellis R. Curley Award for Research Excellence in Forensic Anthropology and received the 2013 Best Article Award from the Archivists and Librarians in the History of the Health Sciences. She was named Edinboro University's 2018 Advisor of the Year. Dr. Barbian exemplifies the dedication and commitment of our faculty to professional excellence, educational excellence, and to our student success. Please join me in acknowledging Dr. Barbian. Please be seated. I will introduce the rest of the Dais party at this time. I ask that they stand and remain standing until all are introduced. Please hold your applause until that time. From the Edinboro University Council of Trustees, Trustee Daniel Hyam, Secretary. Trustee Anthony Perillo. Trustee Harold Shields. Student Trustee Kyle Hersey. Also on stage are Dr. William Edmonds, Vice President for Enrollment Management. Ms. Marilyn Gellner, Vice President for Advancement. Mr. James Sheehan, Interim Vice President for Finance and Administration. Dr. Stacy Wolbert, Associate Vice President for Student Affairs. Ms. Angela Burrows, Assistant Vice President for Marketing and Communications. Dr. Scott Miller, Dean of the College of Arts, Humanities, and Social Sciences and Dean of the School of Business. Dr. Aaron Lake, Interim Dean School of Education, and Executive Director, School of Graduate Studies and Research. Dr. Roy Shin, Associate Dean of the College of Science and Health Professions. Mr. Scott Erlbacher, President of the Edinboro University Alumni Association Board of Directors. Ms. Rachel Shirey, candidate for the Bachelor of Arts in Fine Arts Studio Arts. And Dr. Michael Hannon, Interim President of Edinboro University. Thank you. Thank you. Please be seated. Presiding over today's commencement exercises is Edinboro University's Interim President, Dr. Michael Hannon. Michael J. Hannon became the Interim President of Edinboro University in April 2018 after serving as Edinboro's Provost since 2014. He brings 30 years of experience to the Office of the President at Edinboro, where he first joined the faculty as an assistant professor in 1988 and later served for 8 years as chair of the Department of Business and Economics. He was named interim provost in 2012 and provost 2 years later. Dr. Hannon earned a Bachelor of Arts degree in economics with a minor in political science from the University of Pittsburgh and earned a PhD in mineral resource economics from West Virginia University, specializing in regional economics and economic modeling. Please join me in welcoming our interim president, Dr. Michael Hannon.
Thank you very much. I'd like to extend a special welcome to the trustees who are here with us today, and also to Edinboro alumni who have also turned out to wish our graduates luck. Do we have many alumni in the audience? There we go. Thank you. Many new alumni sitting right in front of me shortly. Today we have more than 175 graduates that are here to celebrate the years of hard work and the important life achievement of earning their university degrees. I am incredibly proud of your accomplishments, and I'm very proud to be here as your president to confer those degrees on you today. Commencement is the most important day in the life of the university. It isn't the last day of finals. This is actually the most important day. And it represents both an ending and a beginning for you. It is an end to the many fun nights of studying, cramming, taking exams, finishing term papers just on time, texting endlessly as you walk across campus, and checking Twitter and Instagram every 5 minutes while you're reading. It's also, however, a new beginning, a beginning of new careers and adventures and experiences as you pursue your paths beyond Edinboro. It's the beginning of the next phase of your life, where I'm confident that you're going to contribute to your professions and to society. It's also my pleasure to welcome the parents, grandparents, and many other family members and friends who are here with us today. As a parent, I know the tremendous effort that has gone into making this day possible and all the hopes that you have for your graduates' future. I also know that all of those who have contributed to their accomplishments are here to celebrate today. I ask that at this time, the graduates and others present join me in recognizing all of you who, by your support, love, and encouragement, have contributed so much to the success that they are celebrating today. Graduates, I also know that your education and experiences here at Edinboro have prepared you well for what lies ahead. As each of you pursues a career or an advanced degree, we do offer graduate degrees here at Edinboro, by the way, you will continue to build on the solid foundation of your Edinboro education. I applaud your academic success and hard work that has resulted in this celebration and wish you the very best in your professional and your personal lives. Thank you.
Kyle Hersey, student representative to the Edinboro University Council of Trustees, will offer greetings on behalf of the council. Please join me in a warm welcome for Trustee Hersey.
On behalf of the Council of Trustees, I am pleased to extend our welcome and congratulations to the 2018 graduates of Edinboro University of Pennsylvania. I would like to acknowledge the parents, spouses, and children who are here today, and thank you for the sacrifices you made to help make this day a reality for your sons, daughters, and loved ones. To our 2018 Edinboro University graduates, congratulations. You are rightfully proud of the success you have achieved here at Edinboro, and we are proud of you as well. On behalf of my trustee colleagues, I wish you the best in the next chapter of your journey and in all your future endeavors. Thank you.
The student address will be delivered by Rachel Shirey, who is graduating magna cum laude with a Bachelor of Arts in Fine Arts, Studio Arts. Ms. Shirey, will you please stand? Rachel has earned a Bachelor of Fine Arts degree with a concentration in ceramics and minors in art history and business administration. Since transferring to Edinboro in the fall of 2016, she has achieved the Dean's List at Edinboro University every semester. Rachel was awarded the Ann C. and Harry Woolman Scholarship in fall 2017, spring 2018, and fall 2018. She was also a recipient of the Ready to Succeed Scholarship this semester. Rachel is a member of the Iota Xi chapter of Alpha Phi Omega, a national co-ed service fraternity. Since fall 2016, Rachel has devoted over 100 hours volunteering for organizations such as Project Homeless, Pies for Pat, Serve Erie, the Breast Cancer Research Fund, and PAWS. Rachel has also served as Iota Xi's Marketing and Public Relations Chairperson since fall 2017. She conducted a visiting artist presentation at Montagneux Junior Senior High School in 2017 and plans to teach a similar seminar at Slippery Rock High School next month. Rachel served as treasurer for the Edinboro University Clay Club from 2017 to 2018. She worked for the University Programming Board, helping to organize and run various on- and off-campus events, and worked as a figure model in the art department. In 2018, Rachel's ceramic artwork was displayed in a group exhibition in Edinboro University's Bruce Gallery, in a ceramic student exhibition at the Commonwealth House at Edinboro University, and in a group student exhibition at the Andrew Carnegie Free Library and Music Hall in conjunction with the National Council on Education for the Ceramics Art Conference. Her artwork is also featured on the Edinboro Art Department and Edinboro University Instagram accounts. Rachel is currently considering future opportunities in the field of art, such as becoming a ceramics technician at a community arts center, securing a studio apprenticeship position, or possibly attending graduate school. Rachel is a native of Portersville, Pennsylvania, and is the daughter of two loving and supportive parents, Mr. Paul Shirey and Dr. Mindy Ann Berman. Please welcome Ms. Rachel Shirey.
Good morning and welcome, fellow graduates, families, faculty, staff, and administration. Today, we embark on our own journeys. Success is our goal. Success means something different for everyone. It is not a linear path, but rather a rolling joyride that leads us through a series of turns, ups, and downs. I started at a different university right after graduating from high school, and I was not ready for college. I experienced setback after setback and thought that I was a failure. However, I quickly learned that failing does not make you a failure. It simply gives you the opportunity to adapt and learn. Today, I recognize that those setbacks taught me lessons I wouldn't have been able to learn otherwise. I learned that just getting by, like I did in high school, wasn't enough for me. I wanted to succeed and to do my very best in everything I tried. I learned the importance of being intentional in my own life, and that above all, I had to stay true to myself. I learned the value of having really close friends that I could trust without fail when I needed them, and I learned to return the favor when they called on me. As an artist, I tend to work alone, whether I'm sculpting, throwing pots, or making prints. Yet, the artwork I create is fueled by a network of other artists who give and receive feedback, offer critiques, and collaborate in our creative work. We rely on each other to be successful. In ceramics, we use a wood-fired kiln a few times a semester. It takes weeks of preparation, chopping and stacking wood to dry, and then we build the fire and we tend to it for days. It takes a reliable network of artists, friends, and teachers. Simple acts like showing up on time to your 2 a.m. shift to relieve the person who was there before you, staying alert while you're on duty, and stoking the fire regularly during your shift have a significant impact on the work of others. If you fall asleep or leave and the fire is compromised, everyone's work can be lost. Working in the ceramics department taught me the importance of building a network and relying on one another to be successful. I'm sure you learned that in your academic department, on your athletic team, or in your favorite club or organization. When we graduate and leave Edinboro, we will all go different directions. We might be 10 miles away, or we might be 10,000 miles away. And whether you are an artist, an accountant, or an archaeologist, remember the network of friends you have built here at Edinboro. Use them as a model for the relationships you will build in the future. You will need them to be successful. Fellow graduates of the Edinboro University class of 2018, be true to yourself, trust in others, and if you fail, fail forward, and know that it is just one more lesson learned in life's journey on the road to success.
We have now come to the heart of our ceremony, the awarding of degrees. Will the President's assistants please come to the stage? Dr. Kristen Weber of the Early Childhood and Reading Department and Dr. Peter Kushinikoff of the Physics and Technology Department will assist the President today. Their role in the distribution of diplomas symbolizes the contributions of the faculty to the achievement of our students. In a few moments, the December class of 2018 will be receiving their diplomas. You will note that a number of them are wearing honor stoles and cords, which signify special academic achievement. Success in academic endeavors requires discipline and persistence in acquiring new knowledge and skills. So at this time, I ask those students who have distinguished themselves as scholars and who are graduating with honors to stand as I recognize you. Our summa cum laude graduates are wearing gold stoles and have earned cumulative grade point averages of 3.8 to 4.0. Will the degree candidates graduating summa cum laude please rise? Thank you. You may be seated. Our magna cum laude graduates are wearing white stoles and have earned cumulative grade point averages of 3.6 to 3.79. Will the degree candidates graduating magna cum laude please rise? Thank you. You may be seated. Our cum laude graduates are wearing red stoles and have earned cumulative grade point averages of 3.4 to 3.59. Will the degree candidates graduating cum laude please rise? Thank you. You may be seated. Our graduates of the Edinboro University Honors Program are wearing gold cords to signify completion of that program. Will the degree candidates graduating under Edinboro University's graduating with Edinboro University honors diplomas please rise? Thank you. You may be seated. Now, will all the candidates for the associate and baccalaureate degrees please rise? I think that's all of you. President Hannon, it is now my pleasure to present to you the candidates for the academic degrees to be awarded this morning.
Look like a good group. Thought I'd wear my big necklace today just to make it official. All right. By the power vested in me by the Board of Governors of Pennsylvania State System of Higher Education and the Council of Trustees of Edinboro University, I hereby confer upon you the degree to which you are entitled, with all of the rights, privileges, and responsibilities pertaining thereto. In testimony whereof, I will present you a diploma with the seal of the Commonwealth and authorized signatures affixed. Congratulations. You may now be seated.
Will the candidates for associate and baccalaureate degrees in the College of Science and Health Professions please come forward?
Sean Jakowski, Jr., Bachelor of Arts, Biology.
Kayla Perkins, Bachelor of Arts, Biology. Naya Lockery, Bachelor of Arts, Geography.
Adam Rear, Bachelor of Arts, Geography. Adam Schuster, Bachelor of Arts, Geography. Michael Galla, Bachelor of Science, Biology.
Shioma Okpala, Bachelor of Science, Biology. Kimberly Pentabona, Bachelor of Science, Biology.
Blake Podger, Bachelor of Science, Biology.
Abigail Warner, Bachelor of Science, Biology.
Zachary Drake, Bachelor of Science, Chemistry. Jacob Sisson, Bachelor of Science, Chemistry. Daniel Benson, Bachelor of Science, Computer Science. Hunter DeLoe, Bachelor of Science, Computer Science. Dylan Nelson, Bachelor of Science, Computer Science. Anthony Shapani, Bachelor of Science, Computer Science. Russell Kunkel Jr., Bachelor of Science, Computer Science. Michael Lin, Bachelor of Science, Computer Science. Austin Porter, Bachelor of Science, Computer Science. Michael Smith, Bachelor of Science, Computer Science.
Sharon Steiner, Bachelor of Science, Computer Science.
Jacob Wagner, Bachelor of Science, Computer Science. Zachary Walbrecker, Bachelor of Science, Computer Science. Nicholas Bliley, Bachelor of Science, Geology. Nicola Delisha Jr., Bachelor of Science, Geology.
Sarah Hazel, Bachelor of Science, Geology.
William Leo II, Bachelor of Science, Industrial and Engineering Administration. Brian Trezona, Bachelor of Science, Industrial and Engineering Administration. Casey Krotosinski, Bachelor of Science, Mathematics. Jacob Simmons, Bachelor of Science, Mathematics.
Rasha Khalaf, Bachelor of Science, Medical Technology. Kaylee Burkhart, Bachelor of Science, Psychology.
Wyatt Fry, Bachelor of Science, Industrial and Engineering Administration. Aaron Hanks, Bachelor of Science, Industrial and Engineering Administration.
Jakara Carr, Bachelor of Science, Psychology.
Zachary Craddock, Bachelor of Science, Psychology. Chad Ewing, Bachelor of Science, Psychology.
Catherine Kerr, Bachelor of Science, Psychology. Zoya Klashevnikova, Bachelor of Science, Psychology. Erjane Fainizi, Bachelor of Science, Psychology. Samantha Smith, Bachelor of Science, Psychology. Kayla Thomas, Bachelor of Science, Psychology. Meg Sova, Bachelor of Science, Speech and Hearing Sciences. Louise Dorsey, Bachelor of Science in Nursing. Shannon Menendez, Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
Martin Omukongo, Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
Maria Pantino Geraldo, Bachelor of Science in Nursing. Alexis Petrus, Bachelor of Science in Nursing. Helena Schaefer, Bachelor of Science in Nursing. Marissa Smeraldo, Bachelor of Science in Nursing. Omar Rousseau, Bachelor of Science in Nursing. Jessica Toleski, Bachelor of Science in Nursing. Emma Morgan, Bachelor of Science, Health Sciences. Rebecca Rahm, Associate of Applied Science, Applied Technology. Brandy Tassel, Associate of Applied Science, Applied Technology.
Lamont Jackson, Associate of Engineering Technology, Manufacturing. Jared Rekorek, Associate of Engineering Technology, Manufacturing. Tucker Gear, Associate of Science, Computer Science. John Varner Jr., Associate of Science, Computer Science.
Will the candidates for the Associate and Baccalaureate degrees for the School of Business please come forward?
Vitor Albanese, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Sarah Baskey, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Charles Burke III, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration. Scott Duda Jr., Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Serdurete Gabrimariam, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration. Paris Gibbs, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Devon Groves, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Caitlin Guarini, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Levi Kloft, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Kara Kosterman, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Cody Light, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration. Kyle Light, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Mackenzie Link, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Thomas Lytle, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration. Seth McCollig, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Samantha Pitlars, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration. Sarah Rand, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
John Rodriguez, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Shannon Rotterkis, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Blake Reddick, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration. Donald Seagreaves III, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Maria Tuzmik, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration.
Elias Zhang, Bachelor of Science, Business Administration. Kyle Gallick, Bachelor of Science, Economics. Yuki Kubota, Bachelor of Science, Economics.
Mandy Patterson, Associate of Science, Business Administration.
Will the candidates for the associate and baccalaureate degrees from the School of Education please come forward?
Morgan DeCency, Bachelor of Science, Early Childhood Education. Catherine Hinchman, Bachelor of Science, Early Childhood Education. Kelsey Martin, Bachelor of Science and Education, Early Childhood Education. Rachel Peterson, Bachelor of Science and Education, Early Childhood Education. Krista Simcoe, Bachelor of Science and Education, Early Childhood Education. Aaliyah Carr, Bachelor of Science, Early Childhood and Special Education. Michaela Chorney, Bachelor of Science, Early Childhood and Special Education. Michelle Kukuza, Bachelor of Science, Early Childhood and Special Education. Lindsay Hain, Bachelor of Science, Early Childhood and Special Education. Dana Hay, Bachelor of Science, Early Childhood and Special Education. Angela Ianello, Bachelor of Science and Education, Early Childhood and Special Education. Marley Jones, Bachelor of Science, Early Childhood and Special Education. Sarah Kale, Bachelor of Science, Early Childhood and Special Education. Allison Konecki, Bachelor of Science, Early Childhood and Special Education.
Theodore Lehman, Bachelor of Science in Education, Early Childhood and Special Education.
Stacia Lasowski, Bachelor of Science, Early Childhood and Special Education. Alexa Schultz, Bachelor of Science in Education, Early Childhood and Special Education. Stephanie Will, Bachelor of Science in Education, Early Childhood and Special Education. Kelsey Baker, Bachelor of Science in Education, Middle Level Education.
Robert Barco, Bachelor of Science in Education, Middle Level Education.
Christina Fair, Bachelor of Science in Education, Middle Level Education. Alexis Medelis, Bachelor of Science in Education, Middle Level Education.
Vincent Pitzlow, Bachelor of Science in Education, Middle Level Education.
Allison Pierce, Bachelor of Science in Education, Mathematics, Secondary Education. Megan Pound, Bachelor of Science in Education, Math and Special Education. Haley Salazar, Bachelor of Science in Education, Social Studies, Secondary Education. Rachel Barnes, Bachelor of Science, Health and Physical Education. Michaela Bean, Bachelor of Science, Health and Physical Education.
David Boyd II, Bachelor of Science, Health and Physical Education. Samuel Breesy, Bachelor of Science, Health and Physical Education. Gavin Hahn, Bachelor of Science, Health and Physical Education. RJ Hughes, Bachelor of Science, Health and Physical Education. Gordon Truesdale, Bachelor of Science, Health and Physical Education.
Lacey Van Slyke, Bachelor of Science, Health and Physical Education.
Will the candidates for the Associate Baccalaureate degrees from the College of Arts, Humanities, and Social Sciences please step forward?
Kevin Dess, Bachelor of Arts, Anthropology.
Ariana Spencer, Bachelor of Arts, Anthropology. Brandy Carner, Bachelor of Arts, Communication Studies. Maya Carroll, Bachelor of Arts, Communication Studies.
DeAndre Hunter, Bachelor of Arts, Communication Studies.
Tony Jesse, Bachelor of Arts, Communication Studies. Olivia Pietropola, Bachelor of Arts, Communication Studies. Juanita Stokes, Bachelor of Arts, Communication Studies.
Tanner Dragaskis, Bachelor of Arts, Communication Studies. Caden Vandevert, Bachelor of Arts, Communication Studies.
Lindsley Wyburl, Bachelor of Arts, Communication Studies.
Scott Ettinger, Jr., Bachelor of Arts, Criminal Justice. Jacob Hall, Bachelor of Arts, Criminal Justice.
Geneva Johnson, Bachelor of Arts, Criminal Justice.
Anthony Kahn, Bachelor of Arts, Criminal Justice. Darrell Miller II, Bachelor of Arts, Criminal Justice. Matthew Russell, Bachelor of Arts, Criminal Justice.
Laura Schaff, Bachelor of Arts, Criminal Justice.
Levi Stanko, Bachelor of Arts, Criminal Justice.
Kelly Stashik, Bachelor of Arts, Criminal Justice.
Brandon Washburn, Bachelor of Arts, Criminal Justice.
Emily Bowman, Bachelor of Arts, English. Allison Kingston, Bachelor of Arts, English. Virginia Olds, Bachelor of Arts, English.
Alexander Seraphin, Bachelor of Arts, History. Clifford Bailey, Bachelor of Arts, Individualized Studies.
Delaney Brown, Bachelor of Arts, Individualized Studies. Twanisha Franklin, Bachelor of Arts, Individualized Studies.
Derek Lincoln, Bachelor of Arts, Individualized Studies. Joseph Lynch, Bachelor of Arts, Individualized Studies. Brandon Patrick, Bachelor of Arts, Individualized Studies.
Jessica Przyjaznak, Bachelor of Arts, Individualized Studies.
Lindell Service Jr., Bachelor of Arts, Individualized Studies.
Kristen Sherbin, Bachelor of Arts, Individualized Studies. Shawnee Taylor, Bachelor of Arts, Individualized Studies.
Ross Venuto, Bachelor of Arts, Individualized Studies. Ryan Peters, Bachelor of Arts, Individualized Studies. Luke Boniger, Bachelor of Arts, Journalism and Public Relations. Jordan Hart, Bachelor of Arts, Journalism and Public Relations. Nathan Hirth, Bachelor of Arts, Journalism and Public Relations. Kyle Myers, Bachelor of Arts, Journalism and Public Relations. Roman Sabella, Bachelor of Arts, Journalism and Public Relations. John Counts II, Bachelor of Arts, Sociology.
Emily Garvis, Bachelor of Arts, Sociology.
Joshua Goriello, Bachelor of Arts, Sociology. Troy Hiazi, Bachelor of Arts, Sociology.
Hannah Williams, Bachelor of Arts, Sociology. Renee Carpenter, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts. Brianna Higby, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts. Carly Houston, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts. Sarah Irwin, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Richard Kobulski, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Piper Olson, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts.
Jacob Phillips, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Applied Media Arts. Christian Herman, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Studio Arts.
Rachel Shuri, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Studio Arts. Alicia Sparrow, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Studio Arts. Kristen Assi, Bachelor of Science, Art Education. Caitlin Burbach, Bachelor of Science, Art Education.
Nash Ortley, Associate of Arts, Criminal Justice.
Alicia Wells, Associate of Arts, Criminal Justice. Mariah Colton, Associate of Arts, Human Services, Social Services. Melissa Harwood, Associate of Arts, Human Services, Social Services. Hope Nolan, Associate of Arts, Human Services, Social Services.
All right. I think the first half of our ceremony went pretty quickly. So we're actually almost done, don't worry. I would now like to ask the graduating class to stand for one final ceremonial act. Just imagine what's going to happen when you actually do the ceremonial act. When you arrived, you were instructed to place the tassel on the right side of your mortarboard. I ask you now as a group to move your tassel to the left side to signify your graduation. Congratulations. Now you may be seated. Thank you. Okay. Now I ask the faculty of the university to please stand and turn and face the graduates. Will the class of 2018, in your new role as alumni of the university, and all those present with us here today, please join me in acknowledging the contributions of our distinguished faculty in preparing our students to meet the challenges and opportunities of the future. Thank you. You may be seated.
Well, now that we have many new alumni in the audience, delivering greetings on behalf of the Edinboro University Alumni Association is Scott Erlbacher, President of the Association's Board of Directors. Please give him a warm welcome.
Thank you, Provost Fisher. Good morning, everyone. Congratulations to the newest graduates of Edinboro University. On behalf of the Board of Directors of the Edinboro University Alumni Association, I'm happy to share that your free lifetime membership in the Alumni Association starts Now, the value isn't necessarily in our discount programs, but knowing that you are part of an organization 65,000 members deep, who each value their time at this university. This is indeed a special place, and it's why the final line of our alma mater reads, "To thee our hearts belong." No matter how far you go, no matter how long it takes you to get back here, Edinboro will always belong to your heart. It will always feel like home. So I better see you at homecoming. Again, congratulations. Go Borough.
Several acknowledgements are in order before we conclude the program. We would like to thank the University Commencement Committee, whose names are listed at the end of your program. We acknowledge the assistance of our interpreter, Anna Chinchik, from Sign Language Interpreting Professionals. We express special appreciation to our musicians, the Highland Ambassadors, the ROTC Cadet Corps, and other student volunteers who assisted with today's events. As we conclude our commencement exercises, we will be led by Sierra Kirkland in singing the Alma Mater, which is printed in the back of your program. Please rise for the Alma Mater and remain standing for the recessional.